Hello friends, I am Zishan Abdullah. The good news is the Bing launched a AI video generator. I tested this AI video generator with multiple videos, multiple prompts, and the result is very good. Like you know, the Grok is paid now, and you need to pay $30. It's very costly, and Sora is also going to be down on April 26. View 3 is also paid. You can view the View 3 is also paid if you can create a video using Google VEO on the official website. You can create 2 to 3 videos. But I will show you how you can create unlimited videos using Bing. Currently, the Bing allow only 10 videos to create. But I will show you a process of creating unlimited videos for free using Bing. So first we talk about the result of the video Bing, which is generating by Bing. This is a natural scene, and you can view the quality is very good, the background, the movement, the camera movement, and it's very good. uh, this is also a nature video. The result is okay, no issue with the result. The result is fine. It's a cyberpunk style video. It's a portrait video. The result are okay. The background is little bit blurry, but no issue with the video. This video is really interesting, very good result. Like you can view, the result are fantastic. No issue, no issue with the result. So you can create portrait and landscape videos. There are two options: portrait and landscape, and 8-second videos. This is the old ancient type video, and we will check the result. The result are very good, no issue with the video, and nice movement, nice camera movement, and no issue. This is a chibi style a cat video. I compared with the Google VEO, and the result are very good with the same prompt. It's a little bit like a cartoon type, so because it is a cartoon, so the result are very good. And this is a panda is working in an office, and is also very good result. And I just reload this and check. I can create 6 more videos. Uh, Now I will show you how you can create unlimited videos. You just need to, after creating 6 more videos, you can log out this. Just click on log out. And now go to Outlook sign up. Outlook sign up. On here you need to move to this section. Microsoft 365. Click on Outlook, and here you can create your account. Create one, not account, and you can just enter a random password. Random first name, random last name, and here you need to approve the captcha. The captcha is completed, and now the account is registered successfully. And now you can move to Bing. You can search on bing.com, video creator, and here click on sign in. And you can view. now you can create 10 more videos. So it's really interesting. And you can create, using this method, you can create unlimited videos. So follow my method. After creating 10 videos, create a new account. You can create unlimited accounts without phone number, without any existing email. After that, you can create more videos. If you like the video, then please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.